Welcome to EduSys, the all-in-one educational institute software solution designed to transform how schools, colleges, and universities manage their operations. Preschool ERP, School ERP, Academy ERP, College ERP, University ERP. With over 980,000 students, 11-plus countries, and 900-plus clients, EduSys is trusted worldwide.
Hello everyone, let us discuss how EduSys will be helping after onboarding with EduSys, the way of support. Here in the EduSys application, they are providing a campus ticket process for a student, parent and an institution. Campus ticket process, ticket management system. The campus ticket functionality in EduSys ERP provides a structured and transparent communication channel that allows student and parent to raise requests, issues or concerns direct to the appropriate authorities within the institution. EduSys supports two types of tickets, campus ticket and support ticket. The following explanation describes the full operation workflow of the campus ticket. A student or parent initiate the process by accessing the raise ticket option from the ticket management screen. While creating a ticket, the user first select campus ticket as a ticket source. Next, the user chooses the ticket type such as advice, complaint, suggestion, request, setup, functionality issue or technical issue depending on the nature of the concern. The user then select the user type where the ticket is addressed to the super admin or branch admin or a staff. This defines who will be responsible for handling the request. After selecting the user type, the student or parent chooses the appropriate department such as administrator, teaching department, dormitory department, transportation or any other institutional department, followed by selected the exact user within the department to whom the ticket should be assigned. The user can then upload any supporting attachment such as document, screenshot or image related to the issue. A detailed description is provided explaining the request or problem clearly. Once all required information is entered, the user saves the ticket. Upon submission, the ticket is officially registered in the EduSys system. The unique ticket ID and the time stamp are automatically generated and the ticket is immediately assigned to the selected department and user based on the filter chosen during creation. The raised ticket then becomes visible in the ticket details dashboard where stakeholders can maintain or monitor its progress through dedicated views such as My Create Ticket. Each ticket displays complete operational information including ticket ID, ticket type, creation date, description, request status, ticket status, process department, assigned user, last modified by, and user rating. This ensures full transparency and traceability throughout the life cycle of every request. My Create Ticket allows student and parent to track all tickets they have raised, providing real-time visibility into the status and progress of each request until resolution. The assigned staff member review the ticket task, necessary action, updates the status accordingly. They resolve the issue. Once the matter is successfully handled, the ticket status is updated to proceed and then closed. After the closure, the student or parent can provide a service rating, enabling the institution to evaluate performance and continuously improve service quality. Through this structure, campus ticket workflow for the student and parent, EduSys ensures that every concern is formally documented, properly routed, actively monitored and efficiently resolved. This process eliminates communication gap, enforces accountability, accessibility, resolution time, and significant enhances trust and satisfaction among student, parent, and institution management.
Thank you. Unlock the potential of your institution with EduSys. Visit our website to start a free trial or reach out to schedule a personalized demo.